Hello everyone! Start off by taking some orange frosting in a piping bag with a nozzle and then line the edges of your cake with it. Make a flower shape on the sides of the cake and then using some green frosting, add it as the stems of each of your flowers. Using the same green frosting, add leaves to the side as well. Next, start off by taking a round cake and then add some frosting to the top of it using a piping bag as such. Spread it out using a cake spatula. Cut out one portion of the cake and then put it in a vertical way as such. Then use some green frosting and then make 3 lines on the cake as such. Add blue frosting as the top of each of the flowers as such in a circular format using a piping bag with a nozzle all around. Do this on the other side with the flowers as well. Now once you're done with this, add these circular shapes to the bottom of the container as well. Add green leaves all around. Next, take some yellow frosting and then take a cake spatula and then arrange it all around the cake in multiple layers as such. Then use a cake spatula in order to make the center portion of it as well and then make this the center of your flower. Then add brown frosting in the middle and then using a small thin brush, make checks out of it. Line it with dark yellow frosting. Next, take the stencil and then using white frosting begin to make layers on it as such. They should be curved layers. We will be making a flower. Now make multiple of these and then scoop it out and then put them on your cake. Next, take a piping bag and then cut it out in an arrowhead-like shape as such. Add green frosting into the piping bag and then add them on all of the sides as such. Add white frosting to the base of your cake as well. Add them in swirls as such. Now this is the final look of the cake. Next, start off by taking your cake and then take the spatula and then using some green frosting, spread it out as such. Add these all around your cake and then add them as you would a wreath. These will make it look like leaves. Do this for the sides as well. Now once you have done this, add flowers all around it as well. These will be made out of cream colored frosting that you have used on the top of the cake as well. Do this all around. Now once you are done with this, add little pearls and beads at the bottom as well. These can be edible. This is the final look of the cake. Next, take some blue and white frosting as such, line one on top of the other, and then spread it out using a cake spatula. Then take some frosting in a white bag and then shape it like you would a flower. Make it in a circular shape as such. Now put it all around the cake. Now once you are done with this, add a yellow center to each of this. Now once you have added your yellow centers, use some green frosting to make the leaves all around. Thank you for watching.